Hello everyone, and in this video I would like to share about the tutorial how to make a bookshelf on a chair. Okay, first of all you have to make a basic shape. You can use a line like this. You can draw it on above. And you can make it vertical rectangle right here. Okay, and after that you have to make a triangle for the first. You have to make a triangle by the line like this, and just rotate the line by green axis. Okay, you have to rotate the line by green axis. Please press hold the left click to adjust the axis right here, then you can rotate it. Okay, maybe you can rotate it about 30 degree of sloping, and after that you have to make more line like this, and you have to rotate it again with green axis. You can set the value is 30 degree anyway. Okay, and then you have to combine this line right here. You have to combine this line and just set the height of the line. You can press move and press control, and you can adjust the height of the line. Be something like this. You can delete all unnecessary line or unnecessary object. Okay, after that you have to make a line for you have to draw on right side like this, and you have to okay, maybe it's too long, but you have to draw to the right side, and please draw it to the bottom of the line, something like this. Okay, and then you have to duplicate it and select the line like this. You have to move and press control and bring to the front of the object, and you have to adjust the line. You have to offset the line like this, and anyway you have to close this section for the first and delete some unnecessary object. Okay, you have to select this line and offset it. Maybe it's around 20 millimeter of thickness, and also you have to adjust this thickness of the line, and also you have to delete unnecessary object. Okay, something like this. Then you have to fill the empty side of this object anyway. Anyway, if you cannot fill this object, you can draw it again and again. You have to try it again and again, and after that you have to push it in front of the object. You have to push it ahead, maybe something like maybe it's about 500 millimeter of the chair width, and this is a basic shape. And after that you have to make cushion. You have to make a cushion object from this outline. Okay, you can see the cushion of the object, and you have to set it. You have to set the cushion thickness right here, or it's to width, and you can set the 40 millimeter. Okay, or 40 millimeter of the cushion thickness, and you can adjust it and adjust it, and you get 300 or more. Okay, maybe this is your cushion. And after that, don't forget to make a 2-point arc on a corner. Don't forget to make 2-point arc on a corner, something like this. And select the plane. You have to select the plane, and then you have to make a follow me. Okay, you can do this. So it more smooth than before. Okay, and then you make it again, and just select a 2-point arc to make it smooth to make it smooth enough, and then you select follow me, and something like this. You can see that, and just make it group anyway. And after that, you have to make some additional shelf right here. You have to make some additional shelf right here. You can set the thickness with the 20 millimeter and move it up on above the object, and please adjust it by yourself. Adjust the extension and another. Okay, you can adjust. You can make another attractive shelf right here. You can set the thickness and push it back until it touches the back. I'm sorry. You can draw. You can draw another shelf right here, maybe, and you have to push it back and make it group anyway. And you can adjust the width of the sheet. Okay, then you have to make synthetic surface of this bookshelf, and you can make a fabric material right here. You can make a fabric material. Maybe you can adjust it with leather blue. Okay, and you can adjust the color by select RGB and move it all to the left side, and adjust the color by color wheel and select the color as you want. Maybe something like this. You can select the color. Maybe it's cream color, maybe something like this, or you can adjust it again and again until you found appropriate color of furniture cushion. Okay, maybe something like this. So you have to set it and adjust it again. You can adjust the texture. Maybe it more smooth texture right here. Okay, after that you can delete unnecessary object, and you can move it on origin. You can move it on origin. Okay, maybe something like this. Thanks for watching. I hope it would be a lot of benefit to all of you, and wait for my